Eshek, Shaki, Shach, whatever the hell this is. Chess is one of the oldest board games in the world, yet it was only with the release of the Queen's Gambit that people actually began to play it. Before the show, if you saw someone playing chess, you'd be like, ha, look at the nerdy little nerd boy playing chess. But after the show came out, people were fine with it. Before one begins to play chess, you have to learn how the pieces move. So first, you have your 8 pawns. These can move 2 squares forward on its first move and 1 square after. It can also capture pieces diagonally. However, this piece is really invented for one move, which is the en passant, which is the internet's favorite chess move. Next, we have the bishops. These pieces are quite boring and just move diagonally, and there isn't much to say about them. The knights, or the horsies, are the coolest pieces on the board. Instead of moving diagonally or straight, these pieces jump in an L shape. They can jump over other pieces and whatnot. They're pretty cool. Now we have the queen. The queen is the most OP piece in the game. She can move diagonally and go straight. Yeah. Finally, we have the rooks. These pieces can move in straight lines, and they can even castle, which looks like this. However, these pieces are most likely moved the least in any chess game, because they're always hidden in the corners. And now for the most useless piece, the king. Even though the whole game revolves around this piece, it actually does nothing. All it can do is move 1 step around itself. The objective of this game is to checkmate the other player's king. To do this, you have to check the king with a piece, meaning you attack the piece, and it's a checkmate if the king can't move out of the check or block the check. Now that you know the basics of chess, you have to learn an opening. The masters of chess memorize moves upon moves of opening theory, but for the average player, just remember to go e4, and if you're playing black, go e5. You can experiment with whatever you want, but remember that it's a cardinal sin to even think about playing d4. Average attention span of a Gen Zer is 8 seconds, so if you're still watching this, I suggest playing bullet chess, which is an absolute massacre of the game, with just random moves and unlike longer games doesn't make you think. And you can instead just fling pieces around while having your mind preoccupied on something else. Now, before I end the video, people always ask me what my favorite move is, and it's for sure D2. These two nuts in your face.